In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Elementor form data to your database. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture every form submission inside WordPress and where to find, filter, and export those entries when you need them. First, sign in to your WordPress admin area. From the dashboard, open the page that contains your Elementor form and launch the editor. If you're not sure which page the form lives on, use the pages list to search by title, then choose Edit with Elementor. This opens the visual builder so you can adjust the form's settings. Once the editor loads, click directly on the form widget on the canvas. You can also find it via the navigator if the page is complex. When the form is selected, its settings panel will appear on the left. This is where you control fields, buttons, and most importantly, what happens after someone hits submit. In the settings panel, look for actions after submit. This is the list of processes Elementor will run once a visitor sends the form. Make sure collect submissions is included in that list. If you don't see it, add it from the dropdown. Keeping collect submissions turned on tells Elementor to store each entry in your WordPress database, so you have a reliable record even if email notifications are missed. You can safely keep other actions like email or webhook alongside it. Collect submissions simply adds a database copy. When you're done, update the page to save your changes. It's a good idea to test with a quick sample submission to confirm everything is being captured. Next, head back to your WordPress dashboard. Open Elementor, then Submissions. This is your centralized inbox for all collected entries. Here you can view each submission, see which form it came from, and check timestamps and field values at a glance. Use the filters to narrow results by form or date range and the search bar to locate a specific email address or name. When you need to analyze data or share it with a teammate, use the export feature to download a CSV. That file opens in most spreadsheet tools, making it easy to sort, chart, or import elsewhere. A few quick tips before we wrap up. The submissions feature is part of Elementor's form system, so keep your plugins updated to ensure compatibility and security. Consider enabling spam protection in your form settings to keep your database clean. And if you handle personal data, review your privacy policy and retention practices so you only keep what you need. That's it. With collect submissions enabled and the submissions screen in your toolkit, your form data is safely stored and ready whenever you are.